Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a few solutions to fix Roblox error advapi32.dll. So please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. First of all, it's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. And the next solution, open up the command prompt. So to do that, just go to search and type in there cmd and make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc / scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. So if you tried all these methods and still no luck, then on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up run. And type in there advapi.dll and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here you need to uninstall the Roblox player and Roblox studio. So just select them one by one and click on uninstall. Once you're done in here, just close this one and open up your search bar again and type in there %local app data % and hit enter. In here, make sure to look for any Roblox folder and delete all of them. So once you're done in here, just close this one and open up your search bar and type in there cmd to open up the command prompt again. Type this command ipconfig //dns and press enter. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account. Hope this video helped, and if there is any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.